O God, source of light and love, I approach you in this moment of tranquility, grateful for the illumination of a new day. In this dawn, I feel the soft caress of your grace, enveloping me like the warm embrace of dawn. My heart overflows with gratitude for the opportunity to contemplate the radiance of your creation, for the golden rays that paint the sky, and for the renewed promise that each dawn carries with it. I give thanks for the gift of life, for every beat of my heart that is a testimony of your infinite love. In these first moments of the day, I recognize that each breath is a reminder of your generosity, an opportunity to embrace existence with fullness and purpose. Thank you for allowing me to wake up, for renewing my being and giving me the ability to live this new day with intentionality and gratitude. In this dawn, I am grateful for the miracle of health, for the ability to move, feel, and experience the world around me. Every sensation is a divine gift, every faculty a testimony of your perfect design. Help me to be aware of these blessings, to take care of my body, and to value health as a priceless treasure. Loving Father, my heart overflows with gratitude for the relationships you have woven into my life, for my family, for the friends who have walked beside me, and for those whose presence has left a deep mark on my soul. I am grateful for the gift of companionship, the ties that unite us, and the lessons shared along the path of life. On this new day, I recognize the richness of past experiences. I am grateful for the moments of joy that have illuminated my path, and the challenges that have forged my strength. Every chapter, every page written in the book of my life has contributed to my spiritual growth. Thank you for the lessons learned, for the opportunity to evolve, and for the wisdom acquired on the journey.